Hello friends, welcome to Tech and Leaf channel. Today we will be doing unboxing and first impression of Dr. Morpen BGO3 Gluco-1 glucometer. I have bought this from Amazon India website. You can see the details in website and also 3.9 rating as of 15th October 2020. In the website it is clearly mentioned we have to read the user manual carefully and completely before testing blood glucose for first time. And also there is a product description which clearly mentioned that Dr. Morpen glucometer can be used for checking blood sugar level quickly, accurately and comfortably, and this reading should only be used as a general information, and you will have to seek prompt medical attention for health care questions you have, and consult your physician before making changes to your medication, diet, fitness program or blood glucose testing schedule. Make sure you read it carefully and understand properly. Let us see what all things are inside the box. First comes the invoice, then the glucometer, then there is a strip box. It contains 50 strips. Now let us open blood glucose meter box. There is a quick reference guide. There is an owner manual. Now let us open this plastic case. Once you open the plastic case, you can see a blood glucose meter, then a lancing device, which are kept in a plastic transparent tray. Once you remove that, you can see 10 lancets and one lithium metal battery. Now we can open test strips box. Inside this there is an user manual which you can go through. And once you open the bottle, you can see 50 test strips. Please have a look at all the items which were available inside the box. First we will insert metal lithium battery inside the glucometer. The battery does not fix to the battery holder, so if we touch it slides, you can hold the battery along with the glucometer and then cover the battery holder cover. If you have properly inserted the battery, you can see on right hand side of the glucometer it will be written mg/dl. Now we can insert lancet to lancing device. For this you have to open the lancing device. You can do it by rotating the cap. Then you can take one lancet and there is a disc on the top part of the lancet. You can just remove it by rotating it. Then you can see a needle. Then you can insert it into lancing device. Or before removing the disc itself, you can put the lancet into lancing device and then remove the disc. Now put the cap on. 1 to 5 is the puncture depth setting. You can twist the tip to set your depth. Set the puncture depth at the arrow. Now pull the siding barrier and here we have set the depth to 2. Now the lancing device is ready. So you can take one strip from your test strip box. Place device on your finger tip and press trigger to take blood. With 2 puncture depth setting, the blood coming out for me is very less. So I am changing it to 4. Then I have pulled the siding barrier. Place device on your finger tip and press trigger to take blood. There is an arrow mark in the test strip. You have to insert that part in downside of the glucometer. After that, you can place the device at your finger to collect the blood. You can see the 5-second countdown, and within 5 seconds you can see your blood sugar level. And the display screen is large. After each use, you can remove the battery from the device. It will increase the battery life. Now we can place back all the items in the plastic case. First you can keep the lens sets and then the transparent tray. On right hand side you can keep the blood glucose meter, and on left hand side lancing device. You can keep your test strip bottle. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel, and you can follow us in any of the platform, or you can directly connect to www.techinleaf.com. Thank you.